those who speak of a man bred from the world's deadliest criminals, raised by an exiled brotherhood of the church. His purpose, to rid the world of the evil that infects it. Most believe his very existence is a sin. But others know he is a necessary evil.
Who are you?
The place I was raised, they didn't give us names. They gave us numbers.
What was your number?
47.
Premiering October 4th at 9 p.m. Eastern.
Mature subject matter and contains scenes of violence and coarse language. Viewer discretion is advised.